Hello, student. Today we talk about the understanding of business activity. Okay, this chapter is talk about the purpose of all businesses to combine factors of production to make products, which the main objective is to satisfy the people needs and wants. Therefore, the company can gain the profit. Alright, now we identify the goods versus the service. So what are the difference between these two? So goods are tangible, which is physical things that I can touch, such as I produce or manufacture the solid things that to sell and satisfy the humans' wants and needs. And then a service is intangible, you cannot see, cannot touch, but there is something facility or the benefit that to help uh, or provide to the provide by the peoples to help the other parties or to solve the other party problems, such as doctor, lawyer, nutrition. They provide service instead of making products. And tangible goods are those like goods, foods, furniture, laptop, and books, and etc. Now we have to differentiate what is so-called needs and what is want. Needs is something that I can't live without, such as the goods or service for essential to living. The mobile phone, sorry, not the mobile phone, this is upside down already, is the water, food, shelter, and clothes. This one is belong to need, guys. And the want is here, a goods or service which people would like, but not essential to living, such as your mobile phone, jewelry, car, and holidays. So this is the Apple logo for the iPad, iPhone, which is one. This is the actual Apple that are good for our health and to prolong our life. So this is the needs. All right. And now, once we know the differences between the goods and service and what is the needs and wants, so now we need to know what is going on for the production. So because of the natural resources and the factors of production are very limited, the resources are very limited to meet the uh, high demands of wants from the peoples. So in this situation, they might have the process we call economic problems and scarcity. So when economic problem happens, then the scarcity will arise. Such as the real economic problem is when the unlimited ones cannot meet because of the limitation or limited of the factors of production, which is the resources that I need to produce the goods and service. And this problem we call scarcity is not enough resources to meet the people's wants. Okay, the four main resources that we need to uh, make our products are land. So some industry they need the natural resources such as the mineral, fuel oil and all this, the forests and the tree. So and labors, the number of people that need to work. Uh, and then the capital is such as the non-current asset, the machine, the equipment, and the finance, the money that you need to produce your goods and service. And last, enterprise. Enterprise is the people who are willing to take risks to start up the business. We call it entrepreneur. So all these things, if lack of, is very limit for these four to meet up their wants by the peoples. Okay, this is a summarize. I will further explain in the class. And the opportunity cost. Once I have scarcity happens, means not enough resources to meet up the high demands of wants. So this means the businessman have to make a choice. So opportunity cost is the choice that are given up the next best alternative. So in this situation, let's say if I have 100,000, I might produce handphone or produce laptop. So if I produce on handphone, then I can't use this 100,000 to produce laptop. So the given up one laptop, the choice of making laptop, that we call opportunity cost. Okay, next. So this is the summarize. When there's limitation of the resources from land, labor, capitals, and enterprise, then we will have this economic problem, which is not enough resources to meet the wants. And all this problem happens, we give a name, scarcity. Therefore, we create the scarcity. Once scarcity happens, then the businessman will have not enough resources to meet, and you have to make a choice. Okay, once the choice make, and we call this process as opportunity cost happens. So the next best alternative will given up. You will given up the next best opportunity alternative, uh, um, the goods that you're going to produce or the service that you're going to provide. Okay, this activity we will discuss in the class, and the importance of the specialization. Since there is a very limit of resources and you have to maximize all your resources to meet up all the demands of the peoples, then the consumer we call, then we have to fully utilize every single resources, the four main factors. So which is, we call it, we specialize in every single process to make sure it concentrate on what it's the best at. So this called specialization. Like example, one person will in charge in one section. This ladies is in charge in framing, and the other one will do the sighting, and the other part will do the painting. So everyone will have only one task, so it will more specialized and reduce the time and make more efficiency. Okay, advantage and disadvantages of the specialized. So advantage is more efficiency, disadvantage is increased boredom. So repeating the same jobs every time and reduce waste and over reliance. So once worker absent, may not no one else can do the job. And advantage is lower the cost, since everything is specialized, and maybe you have automate machine to help, and lower price, because now one person can in charge for everything. You are very focused and concentrate on one skill, so improve the quality. And case study was discussed later. Okay, that is the mind map. So when there is a limitation of the resources, then economic problem happens, and we create a scarcity, and you need to make a choice. Therefore, opportunity cost appear, and I need to focus on the products that I'm going to produce. Therefore, I must specialize and improve the efficiency use of the resources. Okay, type of goods and service. This one we will further discuss in the class, but I can introduce a little bit for you guys. Consumer goods. This is the type of the goods and service. So consumer goods is the tangible things that durable, we can last for long, and non-durable is last for short term. And consumer service is like, I provide you service and help, but you might not touch and see. This one I introduced just now, right, when the beginning of the slide. And a capital goods is a physical goods for the non-current asset that I invested to help or generate my profit of the company. Okay, adding value. What's adding value? If you purely sell the flour, sugar, and egg, you only can sell one, maybe 10 eggs for 7 ringgit. But if you mix up the egg with the sugar and flour, then you manufacture it, turn into the chocolate, and you can sell one bar of chocolate with 15 ringgit. So this means that if I purely sell the raw material, I can't make it higher in price, higher in selling price. But when I make over it, mix up with some other resources, then I make it in another new products that I could charge more and the consumer willing to pay. This is called adding value. The higher the adding value, the higher the profits increase for the company. Okay, how business increase the added value? Branding, you must invest for the advertisement cost to make sure that everybody know your brand, and then therefore it create more sales. And excellent service quality, maybe you provide the high qualities personalized service, higher, therefore I can charge higher in price and higher profit. So product feature, I maybe my handphone, especially for high technology things, let's say I'm Huawei, so I saw that I see all others brand of mobile phone that create with high pixel of the cameras effect, so I will add on some of this feature to compete with my competitors. Okay, so convenience, so make things in easy to carry, easy to pack, and then like such as the packaging food, you can carry and go, drive to, and all this will added some value for me, allow me to charge more on my products, and anyhow the consumer willing to buy. Okay, so that's it, and then I will further discuss in the class. Thank you very much.